Hello. As mentioned in the challenge, I'm done with coding, and now I'm going to demonstrate how this application works and how you can install the application. So for you, I have created two script, organizer script and participations Google script. So you need to make a copy of this Google script first. So go with organizer script and make a copy. After it is fully loaded, you can close the original script. So close this one and do the same thing with participation script. So go to file, make a copy. So again after it is loaded, you can close the original script here. Now you have got two versions of your own script. So go to organizer script. Here you can see one constant.js file is there. Here you need to provide a couple of things, and so it is asking for calendar ID. So this is my Google Calendar, event calendar. Two events are there, and go to calendar setting, and here you can see make this is public, and this is my calendar ID. So copy your calendar ID and go to here, organizer script, and so you just provide your calendar ID here. So go to, now you are done with the organizer script, and you need to publish this. So go to public and deploy as web app. So save a new version, and here two drop downs you can see you need to provide these values very carefully, and you provide here as a user accessing you provide this like me, and who has access to the app, like anyone. So this configuration you need to provide and deploy. So you will get a URL here. Just copy this URL, and now you can go to manage event. You go to code, and here you can see a confirm deployment. So you select this one and run it. So you need to authorize the app script first. So you authorize it. So after it is authorized, you go to publish and deploy as a web app, and just copy this URL, and as you are done with the organizer script, go to participation script, and here you need to provide a couple of more things. Go to constant, and here the organizer URL is there. So just put the URL which you have just copied from organizer script. So 2-3 more things are there, we will see them later. And here again go to publish and deploy as web app, save new version, and here you need to provide a bit differently these options, like user accessing the web app, because this is participation script, and you need to provide them user accessing the web app and anyone. So deploy it. Now you got the URL, just copy this URL. Now go to your event index.html, the HTML file. Here you will get two variables are there, participation script URL. Just you provide the URL which you have just copied right now. So in the calendar feed URL, I will show you how you can give that. Here you can see the XML in the Google Calendar. Click on this XML and go to the copy this URL and go to your you just delete the existing one and provide the new one. So now you are done with the HTML file. Now let's see how it works. So just click on it. So you can see here this is one customized wizard of Google Calendar, and the events are getting loaded. 2-3 events are there, and it works in the same way as the Google Calendar. So let's see what are the events. There are 2 events in this week, so you can see the 2 events are there. If you click on this event, you will see the event details are there, how to create a blog, webinar, and descriptions are there, new work. So this is all about how you can install the application. Now our application has been installed successfully. Now we will see how a particular user can subscribe for an event. So for that particular purpose, I have taken another user, this one gpanda274@gmail.com. So go to here and copy this URL and just put it here. So after it is loaded here, now we will go to our Google Calendar and see there is open this. There is no guest currently. So now we will see how it works. So in this window, I am login with gpanda274@gmail.com. So go to here and let me tell you first. This works in the same way. If you go to agenda and you can see the agenda as per the time frame. The events are there. You can click on this one also. So it works in the same way like a Google Calendar. So click on it, and if I want to sign up for this event, go to sign up. So here you need to authorize the script. So authorize it. So after you authorize, the script is getting loaded. See, you have been successfully registered for this event. So this particular user gpanda274 has been registered, and now you go to calendar and just refresh this one, and now you click on this. Here you can see the gpanda274 has been registered. gpanda274 has been registered as a guest. So this is how it works. And suppose I am again clicking on this particular event, and let's see what happens. So see, you have already registered for this event. So if here in the URL you can see the event ID is getting passed. If I am providing some event ID here, some manual ID, so the wrong event ID, and just click on go. You can see that no such event existing has been deleted by the organizer. So no person can manually provide the event ID in the URL. So again I go to this particular event and get sign up, and let's see what happens. So again I have been registered for this event. Okay, so let's see it is getting reflected in the calendar or not. Yeah, it's there. So now let's see the it is going to the events going to participants calendar or not. So just refresh this one, and yes, there you can see there two events are there in the gpanda274. I have subscribed for this event. Two events are there. So it is working perfectly. So now see. So now we will see how you can install this application in Google site. So here this is my script, and I have hosted this in Google. This is my script, and I have hosted this in Google Drive. And accordingly, you can also host at your own place. Otherwise, you can also host it in Google Drive. So just copy this URL and go to your Google site, and just edit the page and go to insert and Google gadgets, more gadgets, and here include an iframe here. So provide the URL there, and just provide all the required information. So now save it. Now it will also work in the same way it was working in the standalone HTML file. So you can see this is working perfectly in the Google site. So you can subscribe for this event and view more details here. You can even click on this map to see the map location. So this is working perfectly, and I think I have demonstrated clearly everything. So this is all about how you can use this application and how you can install that one.